Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be replacing the center interior light. You're probably asking how the light got broken. Well, the light got broken because somebody broke into the car and tried to steal it and hotwire it. Because they couldn't hotwire it, they've decided to break everything in the car. So here I am replacing the light. There might be some possible future videos where I'm replacing the ignition lock as they've damaged into the ignition barrel, have damaged the key and everything. So I'm gonna get that replaced. Keep an eye out for that. And sadly, they've destroyed the spoiler and the wind deflectors that were on this car. So we're going to be leaving them as customer does not want them fitted anymore, as it's just a loss of money. So be safe out there, guys. You don't know what can happen. You can modify your car to the max and it can be gone within a couple of minutes. This is pretty much an easy fix. There's only two screws, as you can see. I think they're T20s or T25s if I'm not mistaken. If you just loosen them, the whole assembly, the whole plastic trim will come off. But before you do that, because as of obviously this is broken, you need to take the light off. So the light comes off if you just pull it outwards from one corner, and slide it kind of in like a motion to pull it out. You don't want to put too much pressure. If you're putting too much force, you're doing it wrong. So just take it nice and easy and it will come out. Pretty much everything else is in just reverse order. If your wires have been broken, you can repair the wires, but just keep the ignition off and just take the battery lead off, as this is what happened to this car. So one of the wires has been damaged, or well, as they pulled out the center light on this car, they've damaged the wire by pulling out the plug. So we had to, well, I had to replace the plug by crimping it back on, luckily, so I didn't have to buy no connectors for it. And yeah, just simple as that. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and comment down below if you got your car broken into or stolen.